Welcome to PSR Tech Tutorials, where we simplify technology one step at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tech courses.
Teach your tongue to dance with words, turn words into rhythm, and rhythm into confidence. Learning English is not just about grammar and rules, it's about finding flow, expression, and confidence in every sentence. In this journey, we'll make words your partners, helping you speak naturally and shine in communication. Do you want to speak English fluently? Yes, you can. It is possible for everyone. Fluency is not magic, it is practice. Every word you speak takes you one step forward. Start small, but start today. Your journey to confident English begins now. Get your mouth talking. Your mouth learns by moving. When you speak, you train your tongue. Don't keep words inside. Say them out loud with confidence. Speaking makes learning faster. Speak out loud every day. Even 1 minute is enough. Say simple sentences clearly. Repeat them 3 times. Your fluency will grow quickly. Practice makes perfect. Say, I'm learning English. This is a simple sentence. Repeat it slowly and clearly. Feel your mouth moving. Say it 3 times. This is how learning starts. Repeat simple sentences daily. Short sentences are easy. They build confidence in speaking. They make your mouth strong. Keep repeating without fear. Fluency comes step by step. Practice in front of a mirror. Look at your mouth carefully. Watch how your lips move. Say words clearly and slowly. Smile while speaking English. Confidence grows with practice. Say, this is my book. Point to a book near you. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Feel the words in your mouth. Now you are practicing English. Say, I like tea. Think of your favorite drink. Say the sentence with feeling. Repeat it aloud with a smile. Enjoy speaking English daily. Practice makes it natural. Use English for small things. Talk about daily life objects. Say, this is my pen. Say, that is my chair. Practice with simple sentences. English becomes part of life. Say, I'm happy. Smile when you say it. Feel the words in your mouth. Repeat it 3 times clearly. Say it with confidence. English becomes easy with joy. Say, the sky is blue. Look up at the sky. Speak the sentence clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Feel the words in your mouth. English becomes natural with practice. Say, I'm ready. Say it with confidence. Repeat it slowly and clearly. Feel strong when you speak. Say it again with energy. English grows with boldness. Don't be shy. Speaking is learning. Your mouth learns by practice. Say words without fear. Repeat them every day. Confidence comes step by step. Your mouth learns by speaking, not by silence. Say words aloud daily. Repeat simple sentences often. Practice makes your tongue strong. Fluency comes with use. Say, hello, how are you? This is a common greeting. Speak it clearly and slowly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Smile while saying it. English feels friendly. Say, I'm fine. This is the answer. Speak it with confidence. Repeat it aloud 3 times. Feel the words in your mouth. English becomes easy. Say, what is your name? This is a useful question. Speak it slowly and clearly. Repeat it aloud 3 times. Practice with a friend. English becomes natural. Say, my name is Rani. This is the reply. Speak it clearly and proudly. Repeat it aloud 3 times. Use your own name too. English becomes personal. Practice daily words. Say, this is a pen. Say, that is a chair. Repeat them aloud often. Use English for small things. Daily practice builds fluency. Say, this is a pen. Hold a pen in your hand. Speak the sentence clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Feel the words in your mouth. English becomes part of life. Say, that is a chair. Point to a chair near you. Speak the sentence clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Feel the words in your mouth. English becomes part of daily life. Say, I'm a student. Speak it proudly and clearly. This sentence shows who you are. Practice it with confidence. English grows with self expression. Say, I love English. Say it with a smile. Feel happy when you speak. Enjoy learning every day. English becomes your friend. Think in English daily. Don't translate from your language. Say simple thoughts in English. Repeat them aloud often. Practice makes thinking natural. Fluency starts in the mind. Say, I'm walking. Take a few steps. Speak the sentence clearly. Connect words with actions. English becomes real. Say, I'm eating. Take a bite of food. Speak the sentence slowly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Practice with daily actions. English becomes natural. Say, I'm reading. Hold a book in your hand. Speak the sentence clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Connect English with learning. Practice makes fluency grow. Say, I am writing. Take a pen and paper. Speak the sentence clearly. Connect English with action. Fluency comes step by step. Say, I am speaking. Say it aloud with confidence. Repeat it 3 times clearly. Feel the words in your mouth. Practice makes speaking easy. English becomes natural. Say, I am listening. Focus on sounds around you. Speak the sentence clearly. Practice listening every day. English grows with attention. Say, I'm learning. Speak it slowly and clearly. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Feel proud when you say it. Learning is your daily habit. English grows with practice. Say, I am practicing. Speak it with confidence. Practice makes your mouth strong. Daily effort builds fluency. English becomes natural. Say, I am confident. Speak it proudly and clearly. Confidence comes with practice. Believe in yourself every day. English grows with courage. Say, I can do it. Speak it with energy. Believe in your ability. Practice makes success possible. English becomes easy. Say, English is easy. Speak it with a smile. Think positively about learning. Enjoy the process daily. Fluency comes with joy. Say, I will try. Speak it clearly and slowly. Promise yourself to practice. Trying brings improvement. English grows with effort. Say, I will speak. Speak it with confidence. Promise to use English daily. Speaking makes fluency real. English becomes part of life. Say, I will improve. Speak it proudly and clearly. Improvement comes step by step. Daily practice brings progress. English grows stronger. Say, I will succeed. Speak it with confidence. Repeat it 3 times aloud. Success comes with practice. Believe in your journey. English fluency is possible. Get your mouth talking. Speak out loud every day. Repeat simple sentences often. Practice with confidence. Fluency comes step by step.